Imagine being able to start a TikTok live without waiting to reach 1,000 followers. Sounds impossible? It's not. In this video, I'll show you a simple trick to bypass that limitation and get access to the live feature even if you haven't hit 1,000 yet. No fake apps, no scams, just real steps that actually work. If you want to connect with your audience in real time and show off your skills, stay tuned, because you don't want to miss this. So, the first thing you need to do is find your TikTok app and open it. Once you're in TikTok, the next step is to tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. When you're on your profile, you'll see 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on them. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings page. Now, scroll down a bit and find the option called Report a Problem. Once you find it, tap on it. You'll see a search bar that says Search for an issue. Tap on it. Then tap on the search bar again and type How to Start a Live. TikTok will suggest several articles. Tap on the first one that says How to Start a Live. Once you open that, scroll to the bottom of the screen where you'll see the question, Is your problem resolved? Tap on Number. Then tap on Need More Help. This will take you to a feedback page where you need to send a message to the TikTok team. Write that you don't have the live option on your account, that you're unable to go live, and kindly ask them to enable this feature for you. Once you write your message, tap the Submit button at the bottom of the screen. After that, the TikTok team will review your message and reply within a day or two, and hopefully, they'll enable the live feature for you, even if you don't have 1,000 followers. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.